So we're gonna try and combine.
This is gonna be the best set. We're gonna get views and views.
Okay, so this is the gun, and I'm gonna try and put the torch onto the gun.
I guess that this room. Oh, this should be a weapon room. We found a baseball bat. Alright. Baseball bat's gonna do a lot, isn't it, guys? Like, we don't know what is happening.
We found.
We're gonna make it out of here.
Just hold the baseball bat.
Alright, I've got the baseball.
Okay.
Can you do that?
So he's got a baseball bat. That's good. That's good.
I killed it whatever it was. Like a zombie.
Show the baseball bat.
Yeah, real baseball bat.
So we've got it.
So
Can
we are meant to
knock it against there, so they know that it isn't foam. Come in here. Whistling. Oh no. 1, 2, Freddy's coming for you. Oh, what was that? What's that? Come on. Come on.
Stop shooting. And then shooting me.
Pepper. Wait.
Look at this light. What is it?
What's the light?
I don't know. It's like a blue light like this.
Okay, so let's just
Sitting down now.
use this.
Can I roll the gun? I'd like to shoot something. Right, we've got the gun, the baseball bat. Torture it.
Maybe we should. Maybe we should use Maybe we should use this as like a decoy, so some whatever's making noises thinks that's us. So
Stupid weirdo.
the person could think that's us, or whatever it is.
Now it could be a mixer or anything. I just think it's like a big monster with blood. Maybe a zombie also. You heard it?
We've explored all around the house.
Yeah. Hang on a minute. How did we get up here?
Think we've been everywhere. Oh no, there's one place where we haven't got.
But that's going to help us with that
Up in the attic. So we're not gonna go in there.
Got it! I've got one.
Oh my god, what's that? What's that?
I don't know.
Whoa, we've just been on something and it's disappeared. A big cloak just came off and then it's disappeared. So we...
I guess. Yeah, somebody definitely has lived here before. Oh my god.
There's no electricity, that's why the lights won't come on.
Oh yeah. Must be. Just gonna.
Ah, what? What's that?
What the hell? Oh yes.
No, what the hell's that? Oh, oh my god.
Lightning sort of thing.
We
Maybe that was like the light bulb
we just
exploding.
we just can't do this anymore. It's just we could die. We don't know. We're
Wait, I know someone really hasn't checked.
up in the attic, yeah.
No. Put the light over here. No, maybe so.
Okay, so we're gonna go back into that room.
I'm just gonna put my headphones in because I really want
Something just took Michael into. Oh, I'm dead. Oh.